Good evening everybody, this is Swapna, Mathematics faculty. So today we are going to discuss about some problems related to Venn diagrams from set theory. So let's begin the concept worksheet number 8. Okay, here comes the first question. So what is my first question here? Just wait a moment, let me change my this pen. In a school, all pupils play either badminton or tennis or both. So in order to solve these word problems, make sure your vocabulary should be correct. The formation of sentence should be clean and you need to understand the question properly. Okay. So in a school, all pupils play either badminton. So let me draw a Venn diagram first. Okay. So you have two things. First is like badminton. Second is like tennis. Alright. In a school, all pupils play either badminton or tennis or both. Okay, they can play or both. If 400 play badminton, so how many people play badminton? Which is 400. And 300 play tennis. So 300 play tennis. Okay, alright. So what you need to do then? And the total number of children in the school is 625. Given universal set, total number of students is 625. Okay, so let me write down here, and the total number of children in the school is 625. Okay, so let us write what it given. N of badminton is equal to 400. N of tennis is equals to 300. So N of B union T is how much? Which is equals to 625. Alright. So what you need to find? Then the number of peoples who play badminton only is. Ante మీరేం కనుక్కోవాలి? Badminton 400 people ఆడుతున్నారు అంటే along with badminton they can play this tennis also. అవునా, 400 మంది బ్యాడ్మింటన్ ఆడుతున్నారంటే దాని అర్థం టెన్నిస్ వాళ్ళు ఆడట్లేదని కాదు, బ్యాడ్మింటన్తో పాటు టెన్నిస్ కూడా ఆడొచ్చు, అలాగే టెన్నిస్తో పాటు బ్యాడ్మింటన్ కూడా ఆడొచ్చు. కానీ నాకేం కావాలి? అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ 400 పీపుల్ హూ ప్లేస్ ఓన్లీ బ్యాడ్మింటన్, దట్ ఈస్ మై ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో how I will be finding this by using Venn diagram, that is also important. See, N of B, this is total is badminton, right? This total is badminton. So from this 400, I want this part only badminton ఆడుతున్న వాళ్ళు. This intersection part I should not include. అంటే బ్యాడ్మింటన్ టెన్నిస్ ఆడుతున్న వాళ్ళు నాకు అవసరం లేదు. In this 400 we have both players which is having badminton and tennis. I want people those who are playing only badminton. That means whatever the part I have encircled, this part only I want. Okay, how will I get that? How would I get that? So from this N of B, if I take this intersection part, so B minus T, so number of people who are playing only badminton can be represented like this, right? N of B minus T is equals to how? B లో నుంచి B ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ T అన్నది నేను ఎలిమినేట్ చేసేయాలి. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ B, ఇఫ్ ఐ ఎలిమినేట్ దిస్, ఐ విల్ గెట్ N of B minus T, రైట్? B లో నుంచి from B, if I eliminate this, I will get B minus T. So N of B is there already, but how to find this N of B intersection T? What is the formula of N of B intersection T? You know the formula? N of B intersection T, what is the formula? N of B plus N of T minus N of B intersection T. This is the formula, intersection formula, right? So what is N of B? How many people were there? Which is how many? 300. Plus N of T is how many people were there? 400. Minus N of B intersection T. Did you know this? N of B intersection T is, you don't know, this is the what you have to find out. N of B intersection T. N of B union T, this is, what is N of B union T? How many people were there? Total is 625. We have given here. Total is 625. So, 625 is equal to 700 minus N of B intersection T. అయితే నేనేం కనిపెట్టాలి? This part I need to find out, right? So, N of B intersection T can be written as 700 minus 625. N of B intersection T value is 125. So, this part, how many people will play this part? The people, 125 people will play both badminton and tennis, right? So, if I want to find out what is the question they were asking, the number of people who play only badminton is. So, what you have to do, from 400, if you remove this intersection part, you will get this, right? So, N of B minus T is equal to 400 minus 125. So, what is the answer? 325, right? 325. Please check this. 700, this is 175, right? 700 minus 625, what, how much? This is 175. Clear? Please have a glance of this. So, what I have told you first, మీరేం కనుక్కోవాలి, given N of B is 400. So, in badminton, total number of people, those who play badminton is 400. It doesn't mean that they are playing along with badminton, they are playing tennis too. Badminton ఆడొచ్చు లేదా tennis ఆడొచ్చు. Next, N of T, how many people were playing tennis? Which is 300, right? N of B union T is given 625. So, first I find out N of B intersection T. What is the formula? N of B union T is equal to N of B plus N of T minus N of B intersection T. So, I need to find out N of B intersection T. I got this. So, but I need to find out only this pink circle part. Only badminton people, those who are playing. So, how will I get that? N of B minus N of B intersection T, which is nothing but 325. Please observe the problems carefully, you will get off. Okay. Can I get back to next one? Chalo. So, what is my next question? Okay. Given N of A minus B is equal to 50. Let me label the Venn diagram. Okay. So, what is the question? N of A minus B is equal to 50. So, given N of A minus B is equal to 50, means this part is how much? 50. Only this part. Okay, this is N of A minus B is how much? 50 people were given. N of B minus A is equal to 60. I'll represent with this. N of B minus A is how much? N of B minus A is how much? 60 people were played. N of A intersection B. So, N of A intersection B is how much? N of A intersection B is nothing but given 20. So, where you have to plot this N of A intersection B? This is N of A intersection B. I'll label with this. Just a minute. This is N of A intersection B. So, given this is how much? 20. Okay. And this is 60. Right? Okay. Then you need to find N of A intersection B, right? N of A intersection B or N of A union B you have to find out. So, they were asking us to find out the value of N of A union B. Means this total number of people, how much they were playing. Okay. So, what is the formula of N of A union B? N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. This is the formula for N of A union B, right? So, now first, how many number of people are there in set A? That is the thing you need to find out. Of course, this is given like only 50, but whenever you are calculating set A and B, you should add 50 plus 20, right? So this is the total set A, right? So n of A is equal to 50 plus 20 is equal to 70. Antena? Next, n of B means what you have to do? 60 is this part, 20 is this part, add total together. So 60 plus 20 is equals to 80. So apply these values. N of A union B is equal to 70 plus 80 minus intersection part, number of people those who played in both the sets is 20. So 150 minus 20, which is how much? 130. So what is the answer? Option D. Please have a glance of it so that we'll be moving to the next question. Make it fast. Am I clear to everybody? Am I clear? Alright, we'll be moving to the next one. So what is my next question here? Out of 100 players, okay, out of 100 players. So let us label the Venn diagram again. Out of 100 players, universal total number of players is 100. 60 are interested in chess. Just a minute. So this is chess and this is caroms. Okay, two sets I have taken. 60 are interested in chess. So I can label here, this is 60. Okay, this is 60 are interested in chess. Okay, next 30 are interested in both the, 50 are interested in caroms. 50 are interested in caroms. Okay, and 30 in both the games. So this is like 30. Okay, this is like 30. The number of players who are not interested in any one of the games. So what they were asking you in the question? Number of players not interested in any one of the game. You just tell me how to frame the sentence. For suppose, if any people are interested, if any people are playing either of the game, means which operation I should use? Either caroms or cricket, either caroms or chess. So if any people is playing either one of these games, means you have to use union, right? Chess, union, caroms. When you have to use this? If any people is interested in the game. Evarikaina interested in the game. So what I am telling here, ఎవరైనా ఒకరు ఐదర్ చెస్ లేదా క్యారమ్స్ ఆడినప్పుడు మీరు ఏం ఆపరేషన్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు? చెస్ యూనియన్ క్యారమ్స్, కరెక్ట్? బట్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ నవ్, ద పీపుల్ హు ఆర్ నాట్ ప్లేయింగ్ ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద గేమ్స్, any one of the games in the sense, what is the thing I have to use? These people, the complement of this, interest undi ante union, ledu ante complement of this union set, right? So chess, union, caroms, complement. So this I need to find out. How will you get this? Subtract universal set from chess, union, caroms, right? CH union. So first you need to find out the union of these both. Okay, so how to do this is anyhow it is there. So how to find out union? First of all, try to do this. N of C union caroms is equal to, how to do? 60 plus 50 minus intersection part is 30, which is, this is a formula, right? A union B formula. 110 minus 30 is how much? 80. So from this, from 100 you have to subtract 80. So how much is the answer? 20. What is the answer? It is option C. Can you see here? A very logical question. So nothing difficult, very simple. ఎవరైనా ఒకరు ఏదైనా ఒక గేమ్లో ఆడుతున్నారు అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ యూనియన్, అంతేనా? యూనియన్లో ఉన్నారు అని. నేనేమంటున్నాను, యాజ్ పర్ ద గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్ కండిషన్, the people you have to find which are not interested in any one of the game. That means you are finding the complement of union. So how do you define complement of union? You have to find out like subtract universal set from the A union B. So first I have calculated A union B, I got 80 as an answer. So I have subtracted from 100, you got 20. So this is my third question. Please have a glance of it. We'll get back to next one. Am I clear? Can I get back to next one? Yes. Alright. We'll move to the next one. So, what is my next question? Out of 50 girls, just draw the Venn diagram first. Yeah. Out of 50 girls. So, total number of girls were 50. Okay. 20 like laddus. So this is laddus and this is jalebis. 20 like laddus but not jalebis. So n of laddus but not jalebis. So the people doesn't eat jalebis, they will only eat laddus. So what is which part I have to circle over here? This is the part. So how many people? 20. So this is 20. All right. So this is equal to 20. Next one. So what is the next part they have given here? Tell me. What is the next part they have given? If 30 girls like laddus. So given n of L is equal to 30. So total is how much? 30. Right? Total is how much? 30. 30 like laddus. Okay. Then the number of girls who like jalebis only. So that means you have to find this part, only jalebis. Only jalebis. So how do you get only jalebis? It's very simple. N of total number is 50, right? So we can do this problem in two different ways. Total is 30, this is 20. So what is this part then? This is 10. Very simple. ఇది 20, ఇది 10 అయితే ఓన్లీ జిలేబీస్ how many people will be there? So how to find out only jalebis? N of J minus N of J intersection L. Correct? So how to J minus L? So only jalebis were, how to find out? This is 20, this is 10. So 50 minus 30 is how much? 20. By looking at the Venn diagram you can simply say total మన దగ్గర ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఎంతమంది అమ్మా? So this is given in the question itself. This is 20. Only laddus will eat. Laddus and jalebis both they eat together is 10. So out of 50. So if this is 20, if this is 10, how much is this people only jalebis will eat? 20. Very simple. So 50 minus universal set minus 30, which is gives 20. Am I clear with this question? Please have a glance of it. So which is option B. Can I get back to next one? Yeah. So what is my next question here? In a school there are 500 students. So let us plot a Venn diagram again. In a school there are 500 students. So I will write 500 here. 60 students don't like quiz is this and essay writing. 60 students don't like essay or quiz writing. So let us find out 60 students don't like essay or quiz. So that means what I need to do? Don't like essay or quiz. So Q or essay complement, right? If you are interested you should keep it like Q union E, but don't like means you have to write like complement of Q union E, right? Complement of Q union E, right? Okay. So next what I have to do? Given 60 Q union E whole complement is equal to 60. Okay. So now what I have to find out? First let me find out what is the given question. Next, if 215 students and 265 students like quiz and essay writing respectively. So 215 students like quiz and 265 students like essay writing. Okay, all right. So the number of students who like both. So I have to find out the intersection part. This part I need to find out. Okay. So first of all, n of q intersection e I have to find out. N of q union e, what is the formula? N of q plus n of e minus n of q intersection e. అంటే నా దగ్గర n of q intersection e ఉంటే I can easily find out n of q union e by using this formula, right? I am having like q union e whole complement. If I want to find out the number of people who are interested in quiz and essay writing, it's very simple. What to do? From 500 just subtract 60. Okay, so number of people are writing quiz or essay writing is 500 minus 60, which is how much? 440 people were interested either in quiz or essay writing. Understood? So now I'll apply the same thing. Q number of people were writing here is 440. N of q is how much? 215 and this is 265 minus n of q intersection e. Here I need to find out n of q intersection e is equal to 215 plus 265 minus 440. So what is 215 plus 265 here? Which is 480. 480 minus 440 is how much? Which is 40. So what is the answer here? Option B. Option B is answer. So I hope everybody clear with this problem. In the next class, in the upcoming class, I will discuss some more problems related to the Venn diagrams. Meanwhile, stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.